Hey guys, Zoom with Zeke here again. Today we're going to be doing a compression test on our bike Victoria. So let's hop right into it. What we're going to do is fire up and warm her up. For this, we need a 19mm wrench, and I already have one. And then I guess you can fast forward it. We're going to plug in our adapter to one side of the engine and see if we get compression once we add our gauge. Yeah. Can.
There you go.
It's locked. So now we can turn over there. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and see what we get. Ooh, 60. Uh-oh, wait. Dad, wait.